Right, good afternoon. It's a pleasure to have you on my channel. I'm Abigundiola Adeboye, a 400 level student of the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Ilorin. I'll be sharing my experience with you on how I was able to get 4.98 GPA out of 5.0 in my first semester, that's Harmattan semester for general engineering courses. Now, as a civil engineering, I did O level courses in 100 level: chemistry, physics, mathematics, statistics, and a bit of English. So, getting to 200 level, checking the course outline, I was able to notice that I will have to do general engineering course, chemical engineering, CHE, civil engineering, CVE, electrical engineering, ELE, then mechanical engineering as well, ME. But I'm a civil engineering student, so I know that CV should not be a problem for me. But what of the rest, the chemical engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering? But what I did to achieve a 4.98 out of 5.0, the first thing was a determination, and I was determined to have a 5.0 GPA for that particular semester. So my goal was to have a 5.0 GPA, and I later finished with 4.98 GPA. So I think I tried to some extent, even though I was not able to achieve the 5.0. Now, what I did was that now for each of the courses, you need to have a determination, just like I've said. I was determined to have an A in all the nine courses. Now, for engineering mathematics, is very straightforward. The lecturer is very good, and then we've done most of the course content in 100 level mathematics, math 101, 113, and the likes. So it's not really that difficult. So I was able to get 92. But for fluid mechanics, and now the fluid mechanics is somehow bulky and somehow a difficult course, just because of the lecturers that are taking the courses. I guess we had three lecturers then that took the course. So, and they recommended three textbooks for us. So what I did is they gave us the material as well. So anytime I go through a particular topic in the material, then I'll check it up on all the three textbooks, so that I can combine what I've learned from the material and the textbook as well. Then I can form it to get a broader view of that particular topic. So I was able to achieve A in that course as well. Now, engineering mechanics, that's my course. I'm a civil engineering student. So anything civil, I love it. Anything engineering mechanics, I love it. So one thing I do tell people is, if you are planning to have an A in a particular course, don't miss class. Very important. Don't miss class for any reason. So because there are some information that the lecturer will pass across in class that you can never see in any material, in any textbook. So it's very important that you don't miss class, and anytime you're in class, make sure you listen attentively. So the engineering mechanics, they give us some online test. So the online test, make sure you follow the instruction on how you submit the test, because it's not a matter of you got the answer. If you get the answer and you didn't submit right, you can have zero, and that will really affect your score. So you make sure that you follow the instruction. And now CV 283, that's general engineering lab. You have to go to the lab, you have to do some lab work, then you need to write a report. So make sure you attend the lab works, and then make sure you submit your report as at when due. That's very important. Then another thing you can use to boost your score in general laboratory courses, if you can be a group leader, please do. That will help to boost your score. Now, yearly 201, that's applied electricity. We have three lecturers that took the course as well, and I think some of the course contents we've done it in phase 152, that's electricity and magnetism. So it's just like a revision, but we still have some of the topics that have not we've not done, so you still have to check that, and then you follow the course, because I remember then the lecturers were using different textbooks, so you make sure that you don't limit yourself to a particular textbook. Computer application is just like GNS 114, so I don't think you really have any issue with that. So just make sure you attend the class, and then be on the lookout for past questions as well, because there are times that you need to go through past question. GNS 211, all you need to do is just to read the textbook and make sure you study it, not just reading. Study the textbook, make sure you understand fully well everything that is written there. And I'm working on a revision question for the GNS 211, which I'll release as soon as possible. Then engineering graphics. Okay, make sure you get ready your engineering graphics material, the drawing board, the drawing instruments, the drawing materials. I have a lot of friends that complain then that they did not do TD in school, but that's not actually it's part of the course if you have an idea, but it doesn't really mean. I know of so many people that they didn't even do technical drawing in secondary school and they had A in engineering graphics. So the most important thing is your determination, and you should be ready to learn. Then lastly we have engineering technology, ME235. ME235, the man will come to the class, he has a textbook, but not everyone bought the textbook, but he do release e-materials for us immediately after the class. So, and he will release it bit by bit, not everything at once. So we make sure that as soon as new materials are coming out, you are updated, because it happened in my, I guess, my exam. I didn't know that he has added a particular material, so I was not able to read the material, and it really affected my score. But thank God I was still able to get an A. And then in the test and exam, you see some question as German question, like you just have to fill in the gap. So you make sure that you read it well, because there are times you will ask the question verbatim, so you must know the correct thing to choose. So that's just it. It's not a really difficult thing. So the most important thing is the determination to succeed. That's the most important thing, and I believe that you can also make it. You can have 5.0 in general engineering course. It's very possible. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly click the subscribe button, so that once I release more content, you can easily get updated. Thank you.